What's up, guys? We are back. We are back for another video. We're back at the Racer's Line. And you may be thinking, hey, if you're back at the Racer's Line, it means you're getting another part installed, right? No, not this time. This time we're actually, how do I explain it? Okay, so Zach from Delicious Tuning is actually gonna be up here in person. He's here for like a few days. And so he's teamed up with Neil and, oh God, and Racer's Line. And basically he's here to do like tune revisions, like in person, and which is really cool because, if you want a really good custom tune for your car, there are two ways to do it. You either get it street tuned or you get it dyno tuned. Dyno tune, is preferred by a lot of people. Street tune is also really good because it basically, it's a lot closer to real world driving conditions. Oh, there's a piece of plastic on here. What the fuck? Gross. And so we're here today. It's not like my car doesn't drive great. The car handles perfectly fine. It feels good. But getting the tune revised, like street with like the master tuner, it's gonna feel great. So that's gonna happen today. So we're here early because we're the first appointment, and it's gonna be good. So one thing I actually forgot to show you guys is I actually made a small change on my car. So if you've been following my Instagram, you'll definitely, you know what I'm talking about already. But we went back to Big Wing. Yeah. So this is the Rocket Bunny V1 GT wing. It is a rep. It's not the authentic. I personally really like it. I think it looks great. If you watch some of my, if you follow me and you watch my videos, you'll know that I basically have wanted this wing for a while. This is going to be part of my full complete build. But yeah, I didn't want to pay the kind of money for the authentic one because that's $2,600 and that's like not really worth it in my opinion, just for the name. So it's a rep. I got it used. I paid a pretty good price on it, so I'm happy with it. I think it looks great. It holds up fine. It's carbon fiber. It's not like FRP or anything like stupid like that, so happy with it. Alright, so we're gonna wait on Zach real quick. For now, Neil's just gonna do an oil change on my car because, yeah, Edelbrock kit. I don't miss it.
Up in the top range, like above 120 volts.
So that was basically Zach just going through, checking out like the idle, and I don't know what he was doing, but basically doing some fine tuning on that end. So now they're going to be doing some hard pulls. Apparently, most of the time, especially if you do an E-tune, you only do like up to a third gear pull, but this time they're going to be doing a fourth gear pull, which apparently gives them more data to work with and you can fine tune a little bit more. So that's what they're going to be doing. They're going to be trying to hit like 100 miles an hour just to really ring it out and try to get it as perfect as possible. I'm pretty excited. I'm going to go inside. It's really cool outside, so. Alright guys, so we are all done. They just got back doing the pulls. Apparently the car is actually running great and was actually pretty balanced, so there's not too much they had to change. He said he did modify like the low end throttle response a bit so that be a little bit better, more responsive. But either way, car is all nice and tuned, and time to head home. I'm gonna drive it now, see what it's like. I was gonna bring my GoPro, but no battery. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you all in the next one.